futuristic with its tail, doesn't it?
Must remember that they're actually the police and they've actually got to do a job.
It's banking.
Around with it.
He's going to do a flyover, isn't he?
There's the sights on you.
Watch what you're saying, you can hear us.
That's massive, that.
I hope he's even got a sound. He did that on purpose, didn't he?
Fucking hell. Hit that bed. It's in the crowd. No, it's on the floor there.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Did he do that on purpose?
I know, I think he was
trying to avoid
I think he was blowing his sirens trying to get
Oh, yeah.
That would have been it. Holy
thinking
shit,
that's
the
not
car's
close
going
to
to run for it.
The little kids there.
The little kids
All
there.
the kids are going in.
The policeman's
He's looking at, look at this, look.
in the bed.
He's looking at it.
That wasn't it?
Yeah.
Is that the one thing that went bang?
Yeah,
Yeah, that was it. You just saw his big cloud of feathers and his thing
What
fall
was
down.
the bang? I mean, how come that bang?
Oh, well, I've got that on video here then, because I filmed it, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we need to inspect that now because that might
Bed strike. They're all going to see
Look,
the
look, all the
bed
kids look.
You should be surrendering your video to the police so they can investigate.
The bear's
it.
like that.